Hi everyone, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, my name is Pranjali. Today I wanted to create a look that was traditional and glowy but at the same time elegant and simple. So I came up with this, and without further ado, let's get started. I'm starting with some skincare first. So I'm priming my eyelids with a Milani Prime Perfection primer, and I have already set my brows off camera. To clean up underneath my brows, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 125 to cover up some of that uneven skin tone, and I'm going to quickly set it up with some loose powder, and this one's from Maybelline New York New Master Fix by Faces Studio. From the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics, I'm first using burnt orange in my crease and buffing it till it melts into my skin shade. And then I'm dipping into this orangish shade. This is going to deepen up my transition shade and give more depth to my crease. Next, I'm picking up this brown shade from Makeup Revolution palette on my pencil brush and dabbing it on my outer V, further blending it out with my round blending brush. Now I'm saturating my eyelid with this golden shimmery shade from Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. To brighten up my brow bone, I'm using this shimmery shade from the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette to bring some light to that area. Time for some kajal now. The kohl kajal pencil that I'll be using today is from Faces Canada. You can use whatever you have, or you can also use a gel liner. I'm going to first use this on my lash line, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to smudge it out anyway. And as you can see, I'm keeping the kajal very close to my lash line, so if you make it very thick, it will start to look like somewhat a smoky eye. What we are trying to achieve here is a smudge liner look, and to smudge this out, I'm using my pencil brush from Real Techniques. Now for my face priming, I'm going to be using the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. This is a silicone based primer, and it will fill in all my pores and fine lines. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Nykaa foundation stick in the shade 04. I'm going to gently press it in and spread it out with a damp sponge so that it easily blends into my skin, and make sure to apply it on your neck as well so that your neck color matches with your face. For highlighting, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 125. I love using this foundation instead of a concealer, as it doesn't feel very heavy on my skin or dries it out, giving it a very cakey look. I'm mostly concentrating this under my eye area, my chin, my forehead and my nosy. I am gonna skip powdering my face, but if you are from an oily skin type, then please don't skip this step. This will help to keep your makeup in place. To cream contour, I am using a deeper shade Raising Toast from NY Bay. I am mostly going to focus this in the circumference of my face, in the hollows of my cheekbones, as well as to chisel my jawline and my nosy. To seamlessly blend it, I am using my contour brush from Real Techniques. And for nose, I am just going to be using my fingers. I found that's the easiest way to do it. And to lock in my base makeup and melt down all those cream products, I'm using PAC Instant Fixation Makeup Primer. To warm up my face, I'm going to be using a bronzer from Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit that will also help me build in that depth and dimension to my face. For blush, I'm going to be using this orange shade from the Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette. And for highlighter, I'm going to be using Moonstone from Anastasia Beverly Hills Cosmetics Glow Kit palette on the highest planes of my face. For lipstick, I wanted to go with something that will go with my eye makeup, so I decided to go with Tease and Skin Deep by Faces Canada. Coming back to the eye makeup, I am using my Kohl Kajal pencil in my lower lash line. I'm done smudging it out with Burnt Orange and Realgar from the Modern Vanessa palette. I'm further darkening up my lower lash line with this brown and black shade from Makeup Revolution palette using my pencil brush from Real Techniques. Now to finish up with my eye makeup, I'm gonna curl my lashes and coat it with some mascara, and I'm using my favorite mascara by Maybelline New York, Total Temptation, to do so. To complete this look, I'm wearing a beautiful white suit with some jhumkas. They are from Nykaa, and a small bindi. And that's it from me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below, and do check out my description box for all the product information and my socials in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna see you with a brand new one. Bye guys.